Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina. Today I want to show you how to create those gorgeous needles. Look at that. I am so in love. I bought many flowers that were just too big, but I finally found some that are the good size. So what is the goal? Is you can glue on a cushion pin, a pin cushion. You can use them as a needle for a snippet roll or to do any closure actually. So this is what I'm going to show you how to do. So I have my big stash. I bought a lot because I'm like that. Different colors, different sizes, and everything. So let me show you how I do them. What's the good thing is that it is flat at, oops. It is totally flat, so it's easy to glue on a paper. As you can see here, it's flat. So you have two choices. You just glue it directly on your needle, but the finishing is not always as perfect as it could. I'm trying to zoom. You know, depending on the size of the flower. Boy, the zoom is not perfect. You see, this one is a bit smaller. So for the small one, you can glue it directly on the needle, and it depends the size too, because see, I have right now in my stash I only have those two sizes, and one is literally double the size of the other one. So, and these that I showed you, I've been done with this size. So today I'm gonna work with those, but the length of the needle is very long, so they're not the perfect size, but you know, what can we do? So let me try to figure out a way to zoom that it's gonna work. Okay, I think it's way better. So I'm gonna use the glue E6000. I don't know, maybe other glues are working, but this is the strongest glue I have, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm putting a chunk of glue there. I recap the glue, and then I can put just a flower on it like that, and I let it dry for the rest of the day. Or I can pin another needle, and I can use a little cap like that I did previously. So those needs to be in two steps because they have one of those little jowl cap. I don't even remember the name of that because English, I'm not good with those names, but I'm gonna put a link in the description below. So if you follow the link, at least you get the name of what it is. And so first I glued the flower to the cap, let them dry. Otherwise, you get too much glue on your fingers. So it's a two-step. First, I glued the flower to the cap, and now I'm gonna add glue here. Again, closing my glue, and I'm gonna glue the whole thing to the needle. Now you need to be straight and maybe watch them, because sometimes I would come back 15 minutes later, and they would start falling a little bit or not be in the good angles. So just watch the flowers for the next minutes to make sure they're not falling on the side. But that's pretty much it. And you wait for them. I'll do one here. You wait for them to dry. That's it. Isn't it cute? I'm gonna do this one here. And if for some reason it fails and falls, well, you can put back some glue and re-glue it. Let me see. The zoom is really difficult here to show you perfectly. Yeah, so I'm watching my flowers for the next 5 minutes, and just to make sure they're not sliding a little bit on the side, and I let them dry, and that's it. It is as simple as that. How cute. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.